Thinking about all the technology your school needs? Don't know what you don't know. Is the need for dependable Wi-Fi driving you crazy? Are you needing an IT department but can't justify their salary? Are you looking to augment your existing IT staff by outsourcing some of their work? Then our staff at Cloud IT is here to help. Need that vendor on Mojave or state contract? Do you want to talk with other districts or charter schools about who they use to implement their technologies? Take a moment to talk with the folks at Transwest Network Solutions about Cloud IT's managed services, hosted wireless, and VoIP. Talk with our customers. They'd love to brag about us. Ed Martin, Peoria Unified School District. Scott Lux, Center for Academic Success. Pierre Dehombra, White River Unified School District. Joe Brown, Agua Fria Union High School District. Want to know more? Contact Debbie Carone, 602-344-7214, or contact Transwest Team at twns.com with questions, or to set an appointment with one of our team education specialists and receive a free network analysis today. And remember that Transwest Network Solutions Cloud IT products and services are available to you on both Mojave and Arizona state contracts.